work as hard as
Hey
you
guys,
can.
I'm making another video, and today I'm going to be chasing out this slime because
When you
it's
know,
so
you just know.
Then I have another slime right here. Okay, let's get started.
The Vera Wang Love Collection, designed for sale
I
at the
made
Diamond
this slime
Store.
on my own.
America celebrated the fall of Prohibition.
First, what I'm going to say, please like and comment.
Jim Beam didn't raise a single glass. He wanted his first drink to be of his own birth. He didn't have much money, but he did have a few friends, people who were raised the right way. Over 120.
Like and comment. Please like and comment and subscribe. Subscribe and hit the bell. Okay. So this slime is scratchy and feels so good. It's fluffy. I put shaving cream in it. And then you see it has those little white balls in it. And it's so good. It's so good, you guys. So, as you see, I'm finna, now let's see the other one. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Then I have to build this slime up. As you see, lady, I haven't been over here. On here, yeah, I haven't been on here. But guys, as you see, I want to become a singer and a rapper.
You're done with this, that's all right.
I want to eat my finger. Because I lost my papa. I lost him like in November. It's only Tuesday. So I lost him. So that's why I haven't been on here lately. Just been on Instagram. Go follow me, Queen Makaya, on Instagram, YouTube. Please go follow me, subscribe, hit the bell, like. Please do that. So it's jiggly. Kind of jiggly. See you guys, it's very scratchy. And then go on my page, Teen Top, and follow me, guys. Teen Top, and I have dances on there, so please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Go follow me, Queen Makaya. And it's slime here. So good, guys. So good. So, and it's very scratchy. See you guys. Look how scratchy these is. And it also can pop a big old bubble when I pop one. Let's see. As I did you guys, I want to become a singer and a rapper. Like put one of my, like, I'm gonna put my singing stuff on YouTube. And please, you guys, please like and comment and hit the bell, subscribe. Go follow me, Queen Makaya, and go on my Instagram page, Makaya, I think it's Makaya, the Queen or something like that, on TikTok. So go follow me on Instagram, guys. YouTube, please do that for me. And like this video, subscribe and hit the bell. Comment if you like this video. Okay? So, and then I would like y'all comment and y'all do something good. And then also, I be giving away slime, sending to your houses and stuff. So please do that. And I will do that for y'all. I would send slime to your houses and stuff. Like and subscribe, hit the bell. But this video is not over yet. And then if you candy in y'all like slime, not in your slime, but it will be candy in y'all package. It will be like Star Races, sneakers and stuff like that. Gummies, everything. Well, not everything, but candy. No, ma'am. Man, that ain't need to go to the store, Mom. You guys, I'm gonna be on YouTube lately with the slime stuff. So, please subscribe to the video. But it's still not over yet, you guys.
I don't know that one son named John. I just know the son. And me too, all I know. All I know is son too. I ain't never know it.
Yay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I have to do something real quick, so. That's my mama. I got a small piece of this. I love you guys. I'll hit you right back. Because I have to do something. So, okay, you guys, I'm back. So, I had to do something, and
Hey, where y'all at?
yeah, I had to do something.
What is it? Cut the oven on. I'll call the house phone and everything. Oh, where your mama at? Tell your mama. Let your mama cut the oven on. All right. All right.
Just like that. You guys, I made this one, so, and then I mixed it up together. Yes, I did, so. I was running demons. What you was thinking? Okay, you guys. Bye. Subscribe and hit the bell for my channel. Go follow me on Instagram, Queen Bakaya. And I will be giving away slime. Send it to your house and putting candy in there. Not in your slime, but in the bag where your slime is. Bye.